Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I am back with a new tutorial related Plotly. And today in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can draw line graphs with markers. As you can see in this graph, we have engine size at x-axis direction and fuel efficiency per gallon in y-axis direction. Now according to the engine size, we need to mention the fuel efficiency. For that, we are going to use that line graph with markers. So without wasting your time, let's start the practical and see how we can create it. So finally we are in my Visual Studio Code editor, and as you can see we already import the CDN link of latest Plotly.js. Now at first inside the body tag I am going to create a div tag. So type div and I'm going to assign an ID to this div tag, ID my plot. After that I'm going to apply some inline styling to this div tag. So type style attribute, style, and here I'm going to apply width I want to apply 100%. After that I'm going to define maximum width. So type maximum width, max width. Here I'm going to mention max width 700 pixel. So it can stretch up to 700 pixel. Next, we need to jump into the script tag. So here I'm going to take script tag, script. And inside the script tag, first I'm going to create an array for x-axis. In our x-axis array, we are going to define the engine size. And we are going to define the engine size in liter. So type const x array. Const x array equal to, here I'm going to define inside the square braces engine size, such as 1.2, 1.4 liter engine, 1.6, 1.8, 2.2, 2.4, something like that, and semicolon 2 in this line. After that, I'm going to define another array for y-axis, and in our y-axis we are going to mention the fuel efficiency, and we are going to measure it by miles per gallon. So here I will type const y array equal to, in for 2.2 liter engine, in 1 gallon it can reach up to 22 miles in 1 gallon. And as you can see, if we increase the engine size, time to time it reduces the mileage. Time to time it reduces the distance in miles. For 4.0 liter engine, it can reach up to 12 miles in 1 gallon. Next, we need to create the dataset. For that, here I'm going to define another variable const, and our data name is data. Data equal to, inside the square braces, inside the curly braces, here I'm going to define x-axis, x colon, first I'm going to provide x array, comma, for y-axis, here I'm going to provide y array, then after comma. Next we need to mention the mode, in which mode I want to draw our graph. Some type mode colon, and inside the double quotes, first I need lines, then with lines I want to apply markers. Then I am going to define line color, line inside the colon, inside the curly braces. Here I am going to define the color of this line, color colon, inside the double quotes I want blue color line. Then comma, I'm going to define the marker size, marker size colon, here I'm going to define size 8. So we already create the dataset for our graph. Now after defining the data, we need to define the layout. For that, here I'm going to define a variable, and our variable name is layout. Const layout equal to, inside the curly braces, at first I'm going to define the title. title colon, here I'm going to type inside the double quotes. Inside the double quotes, I'm going to type car engine size versus fuel efficiency. Then after comma, after title, I'm going to define the x-axis. X-axis, for x-axis, inside the curly braces, I'm going to define the range. Here I'm going to define the range colon, and for x-axis I'm going to define I want to provide range between 1 to 4.5 because if you notice, let me show you, our engine size start from 1.2 and it's ending 4.0. So here I take little lower value than the first value and I take little higher value than the last value. And next we need to define the title for this x-axis. So type title engine size in liter. After that, after comma, I'm going to define the y-axis. And for the y-axis, I'm going to take the same value and same title that is suggested by our AI. At last, after define the layout, define the data, we need to display the Plotly. For that, here I'm going to type Plotly dot new plot. Then I display new plot. After that, first we need to define in which div element I'm going to display the plot. In our case, my plot. So I pass the ID name, then we need to pass the data. After that, we need to define the layout. Then I'm going to save this file. After save this file, if I back to my browser, here you can see the chart. You can see the plot. As you can see, for 1.2 liter engine, it show 22 mile per gallon. And for 1.5 liter engine, it show 21 mile per gallon. And for the 2.5, it show 16 mile per gallon. So this is how it's work. So I hope now it's clear for you how we can create line graph with markers. And if you don't want to show the markers, yes, you can. Just you need to define the lines. Then it's going to hide all the marker points. Let me show you how. Now in our mode, if we remove the markers and then save the file and back to the browser, now it hide all the markers. Now you can see only straight lines. But to understand it better, I'm going to apply marker with lines. And I save this file again and back to the browser. And this is how it's look like.